Hey everyone, it's Friday, November 6th, and last night we released a bunch of new features. I'll include the link to the release notes in this video. So if you want to go check out everything that we did, I encourage you to do that there. I want to highlight one feature in particular that I know you'll be excited about. If you teach courses or you've offered online tests through Populi, we released a feature that now lets you regrade test questions after the tests have already been taken. So when you set up a test in Populi, you send it out to your students, they log in and take that test. If for some reason there's a problem with one of the questions, maybe you put the wrong answer as the correct answer, or maybe students just answered the questions differently than you expected them to. Maybe everyone chose an answer and you realized later that you'd like to give partial credit. You should have given partial credit for one of those options. You now have the ability to go in, so you'll click on, in the test section of your course, you'll go to one of the tests itself, click on the test, and in the analysis tab, you're gonna see a rescore option next to test questions. And so when you use this rescore option, you can come in after a test has already been taken and say, now I wanna rescore this and I'm gonna give 50% to a particular answer. Or maybe you chose the wrong correct answer and you need to go ahead and switch it and say, now this answer is actually gonna be 100% credit. So you can do that now, and after the fact, it'll automatically rescore all the students' tests. It'll automatically update the gradebook. If there is a problem with your test, like you did enter the incorrect answer, you should still go back to your test settings and change your test and correct the answer there. But for tests that have already been taken, this rescore option is going to let you have Populi rescore those tests and automatically update the gradebook so that you don't have to go do those manually. If you want to see everything else that we released, again, go ahead and check out the link to the release notes, and we hope you enjoy all these new features and have a great weekend.